up, you guys? Today I am going to try something that I looked on YouTube for quite a while and I couldn't find anywhere, is dyeing my hair with lemons but using heat to activate it. I know a lot of people say that you have it in the sun and that's the way to activate it, but I wanted to try it with hair dryer. So I have squeezed 2 lemons and put them in this really cute spray bottle. I put a little bit of water and olive oil in here, and I'm wearing a t-shirt that I don't care about. I'm gonna spray it all over my hair dry it, and see what happens, and I'll let you know. So I'm gonna put a picture of me in natural light because this is my bathroom. Welcome to my bathroom. The light is really warm, and so I'm gonna put a picture of my hair before, and then watch to the end of the video to see the after. Okay, let's go. Now I wanted to stop in between because my hair is mostly dry, just the tips are still a little bit wet. I think I am going to do 2 more lemons and do this again. I don't know if it's just that my hair was wet and now that it's dry it looks lighter, or if it actually is showing some lightening. I think it is, and I don't want to like speak too early, but I think it is. But 2 lemons, my hair is pretty long, it goes past my shoulders, so 2 lemons if you have long hair is not enough. It got it like mostly wet, but I think I want to do a second coating and finish up hair drying, so I'm going to do another one. Squeeze these 2, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I think this is about as dry as it's gonna get. It's not gonna completely dry because it has oil on it, but it feels, maybe the tips could probably use some more, but it is hot. I've been blow drying for like 15 minutes. I'm about to take a shower. I'll be right back. Hey, so I'm back. It is the next day actually. I don't think that it did a lot. This is the final result. I will put up a picture of me before and after right now. I don't think it did as much as if you went outside with lemons. I have highlights that are very, very old under some brown dye because I tried to get rid of them. And I think it did bring those out and get rid of the brown dye that I had a little bit, but overall my hair pretty much looks the same. So there you have it. Take your lemons outside. Stay tuned for the next video in like a year.